Like, gang, this is how you lose the most money. Getting in at trade one, trade two, boom, at the middle of an uptrend. As you don't understand, gold likes to move very, very fast. Like, I've been trading in this market for 3 years, going on 3 years. I understand that price just won't go up, 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 up. Like, you have to know what price like to do. You have to wait. You have to be patient. This move, this still, this happened. This is '01 when it first started going back down. And this is now what, '03. It's 2 days and price been going down for the last 2 days. Like, it usually probably will go down. It might not go up all the way up until 5 days or next week. Like, you're trying to swing trade this from trade one, trade two, and on top of that, at the middle of an uptrend, you're trying to swing trade this. You don't understand that price. It usually takes about a week or two to 5 to 4 days to swing trade this trade all the way up, past take profit two. It just won't go all the way past take profit two in 2 days. Like, no, it takes time to swing trade. It might take a day or it might take 2 days. Sometimes it takes 2 days. Like, sometimes it takes 3 days, but sometimes it takes a week, 4 to 5 days until a week until price will pass take profit two. Like, you don't understand that. You have to give it time. Like, you have to give this market time. You have to be very patient with this market. Like, you have to give it time for price to pass take profit too. It just won't happen in 1 or 2 days. Like, it'll take 4 to 5 days to a week if you're trying to really swing trade this. Like, you have to be patient with the market. Get out at take profit too. Take your 2 to 3 grand. Like, get out the trade. Take your 500 to a couple hundred grand. Be happy that you made money on your phone. Like, you're making money on your phone. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to clock in. You don't have to worry about nobody trying to like do anything to you or stop you from like getting this money in this market. Like, you're making money on your phone. You don't have to deal with nobody. Only thing you have to do is understand like price and understand how this market likes to move. Like, understand your pair. Like, if gold is your pair, you like gold. Like, you can make money off of any pair. I like gold because it likes to move very fast. I know what gold likes to do. Like, master your pair, understand your pair. Like, this is where how you lose the most money in this market because you're trying to swing trade this. You're being greedy. It gave you 500 from trade one to trade two. It gave you 500. It gave you 300. It gave you 1,000, 2,000. Take the money. Like, you don't know what price likes to do yet. You don't know what gold likes to do. It's too confusing. You'll get stopped out, lose all your money as price what goes past trade two, trade one, goes past 1803 and 1800, trade one and trade two, all the way down to 1788. It stopped you out. Even at Great Trade Two and Great Trade One, you could have at least seen this at Great Trade One and Great Trade Two if you had gotten at the bottom like you're supposed to. This is where you make the most money at. This is where you make the most money at. You could have sold this back down. This is a great trade right here for a sell. If you were selling this back down, but I wouldn't even do that right now. It's too confusing. Like, to do that, like, yes, we sell as well, but the overall trend is still an uptrend. We're going up. We're price is still going up. Just wait for price to retest all the way back down, as it will retest after it gets to take profit too. It will retest back down. Wait for the price to retest back down. You could see you could have prevented this if you had gotten at the bottom. You had prevented this. You would have seen that, oh, price is heading back out. Let me get out at Great Trade 2 and Great Trade 1. Let me get out as price is now at 1800. I still have a chance because I got in at such a great trade at 1796 and 1795, 1794. I got in at a great trade. I still made a couple hundred, a couple thousand. I was at up here, you at take profit 2 where you should have got out. But you were trying to swing trade this and you don't understand price don't have to do that. Price went past Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2. You could have just got out. Like, once you've seen price heading back down and you're still in profit with Great Trade 2 and Great Trade 1, just get out the trade. Take the money and just be happy. Wait for price to retest back down 1788 as it will. It'll retest back down. Wait for price to retest back down all the way down to the bottom and you buy at the bottom. This is a great trade. Like, you will buy at the bottom. This is like, boom. This is a great trade. Boom. You could have gotten at 1791. The great trade right here. Boom. Great trade. Like, you could have gotten right here. Boom. Like, great trade. Boom. Great trade one. Boom. Like, wait for price to get down to the bottom. You have to be patient with this market. Just wait for price to get all the way back down to the bottom before you get in. Like, just wait, gang. Like, I'm trying to prevent you from losing money in this market. I want you to make the most money in this market. You can make millions in this market. You could be doing this full time for the rest of your life, trading, like, or part time for the rest of your life, trading. Like but you have to understand market structure. You have to understand your pair. You have to understand how gold likes to move. That's why I'm gonna keep breaking down more videos for your psychology, because your psychology has to be right if you want to be a trader. I am a full-time trader. To be a full-time trader, 99% of this is about your psychology. You have to understand your pair. You have to understand key levels. Once price gets to a key level, a take profit level, it'll head back down to the same take profit level before going back up to the same take profit level. As you can see, price head back down from take profit 2 to take profit 3 back to take profit 2. Price will do the same thing over again. Head down to take profit 2, head back from take profit 2 to take profit 3, head back up to take profit 2, head back down to take profit 3, then head back up to take profit 2. It will do the same thing over and over again. As you see, the market has just opened back up. But this is where you make the most money at the bottom, at the bottom. This is a great trade right here, at the bottom, boom. This is where you make the most money at. Just wait for price to head all the way back down to the bottom. You know, it's just too confusing starting off. You know, this is how I lost a lot of money. This is how you lose a lot of money. Like starting off, you're just too confusing. You're like, oh, price is going up. You're trying to swing trade this from 1803, 1800. This is an okay trade, but you got it at the middle of an uptrend. Like you don't want to get at the middle of an uptrend. Just wait for price. Be patient. Wait for price to head back down and get in for a buy. This is a great trade. Boom. Great trade one. You could have got in at 1791. Boom. It's a great trade to get in. Boom. This is a great trade two. Boom. Right here at 1793. Boom. Like great trade two. Boom. Just wait for price to get in. Like wait for price to hit all the way back down to the bottom before you get in for a trade. Like gang. Like I'm just trying to prevent you from losing money in this market. I want you to make the most money in this market. All right. So I'm going to keep dropping more videos for your psychology, helping you out, helping you get in these trades. Like 1791, you could have got in 1792, 1793. You could have got in for a great trade one and great trade two. And you could have rolled it all the way up from 1791 all the way back up to 1805. Boom, get out the trade. Like, because you don't understand when price will head back down and shoot back down. You don't understand what this market likes to do. And you know, it will get all the way back down to the bottom. Like it will shoot all the way back down past trade two, trade one, great trade two, great trade one. Got everybody out the market. Like price will do this, just like over here. Boom, price got everybody out the market at 1794, going past even great trade one. Like these are great trades though. These are great trades. You want to get in at the bottom. This is where you make the most money, at the bottom. This is where you lose the most money, in the middle, you know, at the middle. Pay attention to candlestick patterns. They'll let you know. As you see, what this is a bullish engulfing pattern. Yellow candlestick on the right, larger than the black candlestick on the left. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. On a 15-minute time frame, price likes to move very fast on a 15 and a 5-minute time frame. So it's just too confusing. Just to avoid just to avoid you losing money gain, just wait for price to head back down and then get in for a buy once price heads back down. And at the bottom of a downtrend is where you make the most money. At the bottom of an uptrend, you can see we're in an uptrend now. Boom, we're in another the uptrend now. Boom, we're in an uptrend. Boom, at the bottom of an uptrend, this is where you make the most money at game. You know, so just to avoid you losing all your money, because price will stop you out. Gold will go past all your trades, and you will lose all your money and stop you out. And even if it didn't stop you out after great trade one, if you had enough money to hold this, if you didn't risk too much of your money, you still would have been we went all the way to 1788. You still would have been in a negative. You still would have been losing money. And you know, you'd have been mad that you just lost money. You know, your broker would have took your money out your account and took all your money out your account, and now you just blew your account. So it's just easier. It's just easier to wait for price to get all the way down to the bottom and then get in for a trade and ride this back up. As you can see, now we're in an uptrend. Boom. Candlesticks are above this trend line. Now we're in an uptrend. Boom. So just wait, gang. You know, wait, wait for price to head all the way down. You know, cause price will head all the way down past all your trades. So I'm just trying to avoid that from happening, gang. Um, I'm just trying to avoid that from happening, as you can blow your account. Price will blow your account. You will lose all your money. So I'm just going to keep dropping more videos for your psychology, so you can make millions from your phone. You can make millions from your phone, gang. Like your psychology has to be right. So I'm just going to keep dropping a lot of more content, like gang. All right, I'm gonna drop a lot of more content for your psychology. Study these videos. I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang.